Hey Stingers, welcome back. This one's just going to be a quick video. I wasn't planning to actually do one, but I thought I will anyway. So I was just about to rehouse one of my Phlogius Goliath juveniles, which I've had since Sling about 2 years ago. As I was uncovering her hide to get her out, now I thought it was her, it's just easier. I discovered that she is a he, and how he is. He has had a recent molt, maybe about 1 to 2 weeks ago. But I would say like he's at least all right. Before I open up, I might just get a container because he was a bit cranky when trying to get him into this. 2 seconds. Here is the container. As I was saying earlier, I got this as a sling roughly 2 years ago, and he has just grown extremely fast, which is awesome. And sometimes, Phlogius species can grow quite fast, unexpectedly. I've got some Tarantulas girls, juvies that are the same age, but would only be a quarter of the size. But he's just beautiful, and in the short time as he's been in here, he's webbed up as well. Let's see if we can open this up and get a closer view without him running away on me. Sorry, my nails are always dirty. I'm always making substrate up when I'm housing, so they just get a bit but a bit. There we go. There he is. So all up, I now have two male Goliaths because I had a male Goliath arrive the other day. I didn't make a video because I had some gem fields rock up at the same time, but I haven't gotten around to editing that yet because I was quite exhausted in that day. I was all over the place. I don't usually keep the males in my new terrariums because most of them do get moved on to other breeders. Because I've grown this male out from a sling, the chances of me moving him on is extremely rare. So he will be put into his own terrarium for a few other girls, as I do have a couple of Goliaths now, and he will do a good job, hopefully. He's basically going to be my backup, but next season he's definitely going to get used. Maybe this season if the other male doesn't have any luck and unfortunately cops it, but I think he'll be okay because he's quite large compared to the female. Even he's a beautiful size. Let's put him in. Alrighty, buddy? You gonna move? Come on. Come on. Good boy. There he is. Alright, let's move this out of the way. Good boy. That's alright. What a handsome man. Hey, buddy. Where are you going, mate? Let's just see if we can get a rough idea. So as far as I can see, I reckon he is at least 110 millimeters long in leg span, which is quite impressive for a 2-year-old, I think. Okay, he's all housed up now. So hopefully in the future, I'll actually get a breeding video with him, which will be awesome because I'd love to use him because that means he is a captive bred male, which will be used to hopefully breed with a couple of my other juveniles once they're old enough. Maybe, I don't know, I'm going to go get them out in a second and see how big they are. I don't think they're mature yet because males can mature a lot earlier than a female, but we'll have a look. And if it's the case she's a decent size, I'll keep this video rolling. Now, this guy can climb and extremely well, so I'm gonna maybe close that. Oh, damn it. Really? But for now, if you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe by hitting that bell button down below, because I'd love to see you guys down here